Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises, but most people focus on doing more reps instead of doing them correctly. In this guide, we'll break down the key points to help you perform perfect push-ups and feel the movement exactly where you should. Let's start with your body position. Before thinking about your arms or chest, focus on creating full body tension. Place your hands on the ground, extend your legs behind you, tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and pull your pelvis slightly backward. This prevents your lower back from arching and protects your spine. Maintaining this tension throughout the movement is one of the most important parts of a proper push-up. Now let's talk about a technique that helps beginners feel the correct muscles working, the hand release push-up. Lower your body to the floor in a controlled way until your chest touches the ground. At the bottom, lift your hands slightly off the floor and squeeze your shoulder blades together. This teaches your body how to properly retract the shoulders and engage the chest. Then place your hands back down, keep your core tight, and press yourself up. This simple hand release technique helps eliminate the habit of letting the shoulders roll forward and relying too much on the arms. Next is hand placement. For a standard push-up, place your hands under your shoulders with your wrists roughly vertical. A wider grip shifts more work to the chest, while a narrower grip increases tricep activation. Both are fine, but avoid letting the elbows flare straight out to the sides, as this can create unnecessary stress in the shoulders. Instead, keep your elbows angled slightly backward as you move. Now let's focus on range of motion. Lower your body all the way down and push all the way back up while keeping your body straight. Don't let your hips sag, don't lift your butt too high, and don't shorten the movement by dropping your head forward. Full range of motion ensures proper muscle engagement and helps you build strength safely. The last key point is shoulder blade movement. As you lower your body, your shoulder blades should come together. As you press up, they should move apart. This active control helps stabilize the shoulders and prevents collapsing into your upper back. If you apply these principles, body tension, hand release technique, proper hand placement, full range of motion, and controlled shoulder blade movement, you'll notice your push-ups become harder, more effective, and ultimately safer. Focus on quality over quantity, and your strength and performance will improve much faster.